Have you ever noticed someone breathing through their mouth struggling with speech or experiencing jaw pain? The way we use our tongue and facial muscles plays a bigger role in our health than you might think. Orofacial Myofunctional Therapy, or OMT, is a specialized therapy that uses simple exercises to retrain the muscles of the face and mouth. By strengthening these muscles and improving neuromuscular control, OMT helps restore proper function for breathing, swallowing, chewing, and posture. OMT can help with mouth breathing, tongue thrust, snoring, sleep issues, speech problems, and even TMJ pain. By creating new muscle movement patterns, it promotes better breathing, proper tongue posture, and overall health. OMT works by retraining the brain to control these muscles correctly. Just like physical therapy for your body, OMT helps rewire neuromuscular connections for long-term improvements. Orofacial myofunctional therapy is a simple, effective way to improve how we breathe, speak, and function every day. Want to learn more? Visit myofist.com and take the first step toward better oral and airway health.